Do you ever get stuck trying to decide between there and there, or it's and it's? Well, you're not alone. Hang tight, because by the end of this video, you'll not only have a clearer understanding of the differences, but also the confidence to use them correctly. Plus, we've got an exciting quiz that will put your grammar skills to the test. If you're new here, I'm your English teacher, Josh. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below what grammar you find most difficult. Let's begin. Mixing up there, and there is one of the most common mistakes I see. Let's break it down. There is a contraction of they are. Let's look at some examples. They're going to the movies. They're planning a surprise party. They're always on time for meetings. On the other hand, there is possessive, showing ownership. Let's look at some examples. Their car is parked outside. I saw their dog at the park. Their performance was outstanding. Finally, there refers to a place. For example, the book is over there. There is a new cafe in town. Look over there at the beautiful sunset. All right, let's test your knowledge so far. They're going to the park later. Which there would you choose? The answer is there with an apostrophe because it's a contraction of they are. Next up, let's look at your and your. This one is pretty straightforward. Your is possessive. For example, your jacket is on the chair. Your ideas are always innovative. I found your keys under the sofa. Can you figure out the difference between the two when we add an apostrophe? Your is a contraction of you are. You're going to love this movie. You're the best friend anyone could ask for. You're right. It was an amazing experience. Okay, can you get this right? Can you bring your book to me? Which your do we use? The answer is your because it's possessive. We are talking about your book. Another common mistake is mixing up it's and its. I hope by now you're starting to see a pattern. It is possessive. For example, the cat licked its paw. The company revised its policy. The tree lost its leaves in the fall. On the other hand, its is a contraction of it is or it has. Let's look at a few examples. It's going to rain today. It's been a long day at work. It's not too late to join the team. Okay, let's see if you can get this one. The dog wagged its tail. Which its would you choose? The answer is it's because it's possessive. We are talking about the dog's tail. Affect and effect. This one can be hard to distinguish. Affect is usually a verb, meaning to influence. For example, the weather can affect your mood. The lack of sleep will affect his performance at work. High interest rates can affect the housing market. On the other hand, effect is a noun, meaning the result of a change. For example, the new law had a positive effect. The medication had side effects that were quite severe. The special effects in the movie were outstanding. Remember, affect with an A is usually a verb, while effect with an E is a noun. Let's see if you can get this one. The new policy will affect employee productivity. Is it affect with an A or effect with an E? The answer is affect because it's a verb meaning to influence. Effect with an E is a noun, which would be incorrect. Then and than. This is one of my favorite grammar points. It's actually not as difficult once you understand the difference. Then is used to indicate time or sequence. For example, I went to the store, then I went to the park. Finish your homework, then you can play video games. He ate dinner and then went to bed. On the other hand, then is used for comparisons. For example, she is taller than her brother. I like pizza more than burgers. Because who doesn't love pizza? Running is faster than walking. All right, I know you got this one. Finish your work first, then you can go out and play. Is it then or than? The answer is then, with an E, because we are talking about something that will happen after something else. One last one. Her new bike is faster than her old one. Is it then or than? The answer is than with an A because we are comparing the new bike with the old bike. Well, that wasn't so difficult. If you want to learn more English grammar and improve your English overall, follow my channel. I'll see you in my next video.